Hello, welcome. If it's your first time here, my name is April. This is the Frugal Planner channel, and if this is a return trip for you, welcome back. Today I am going to be setting up a couple of trackers in my November notebook. This is a coiled notebook. This is kind of a series, but not really. I am using this entire notebook for only the month of November. And so I've got my month set up with different things on it. And now I want to go and do a tracker. The thing with the smaller notebooks is there's not enough room to do 30 across or 30 this way to make an actual tracker. So what I have done is I have split it up into 15, but I think I'm gonna need a little bit different of a pen. I'm grabbing my Energel liquid gel. It's a 0.7. And I am going to take my marker here and I am gonna stop. I have to make myself a line right here. Right here. Because I want a separation between the two trackers. So I'm going to go from here and then I think it's all the way down. Oh, question mark. Line these back up. They are skinny columns and I'll tell you why. Because these smaller notebooks obviously don't have a lot of space, I have cut that kind of in the middle and said I'm going to do days 1 through 15 here, days 16 through 30 here. So it is taking up an entire page in my notebook, which is absolutely fine. That is my heater that just kicked on that you can hear. After I get this video done, I am gonna scramble to the living room and make a scarf for myself. We went to our granddaughter's last soccer game on Saturday and it was like a hailstorm, torrential downpour. They called the game due to lightning. She's 6. Like, it wasn't, I feel like they might have called the game sooner. Just saying. They're just 6-year-olds. I don't even think they keep score. I mean, Grandma keeps score, but I don't think they keep score. Anyway, I kept telling Wes, gosh, I wish I had a scarf. Like, I would be so much warmer if I didn't have all this water pelting through me from my neck. And he's like trying to hold the umbrella and I'm like, no, it's not you. It's this weather. So I told him, I said, I think when I get home, I am going to go through my cotton yarn and see if I can't make my own scarf. So that is going to be my afternoon project. Sorry, I was trying to say progress and project at the exact same time and it just wasn't working. Two more. That one and that one. So let me just make sure I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Perfect. And then, because I don't think I really need to write the days on there, I'm going to be popping in here every day to update it. So let me flip this page back over. I have a cheat sheet because I know what I want to track, but if I don't write it down, I will forget it. So up here, let's use the orange and let's write, oh, the tombos that I'm using are 946, 772, and 192. And you can find these on Amazon. You can also find them on jetpens.com. Usually JetPens will run a sale and they're right around $3 each. So if you just buy individual colors, it's very budget friendly. You could just buy one color a month, and by the end of the year, you would have 12 colors. I really like their neutrals and then pop in a color every once in a while. So let's do the 946. I am going to give it a squiggle, just add a little pop. And then I'm going to write on top of that once it dries a tiny bit. going to grab my Uniball. All right, so there we have the tracker, November tracker. Here's what I want to track. I want to track my sleep, and I want 8 hours sleep. If I get 8 hours sleep, I'll check it off. I want to drink 64 ounces of water. 8,000 steps. Your dad just fed you. Are you getting into the food? What are you doing? Hi, bud. Stark came in. I could hear him into his food, and I'm like, buddy, your dad already did. How many times I do my nails, because I've talked about it here before. I don't know what it is about my nail beds, but polish, regular polish doesn't stay on them. It chips, and even the gel polish that you put under the UV lights, they'll peel right off. Like the polish will just peel right off. And then whether or not I take my vitamins. Hi, bud. Thank you. I want to make sure I am not eating sugar this month. Now, when I say that, let me just clarify. Hi. No extra sugar. So I understand sugar is in anything. So unless I'm going to like make everything from scratch, I will have sugar in something. So I understand that, but like no extra sugar, no cookies, no ice cream, no sugary snacks, no sugary drinks, nothing like that. And then also no alcohol, which again, just turns to sugar. And then I want to track the days that I crochet because I've got a few Christmas presents that I need to finish. I could make scarves too, depending on how fast this one goes. Buddy, what's going on? Are you needy? Are you needy? And then you are so needy. Okay, all right. All right, hello. Say hello to everybody. Say hi, Stark. I know. Oh, you're just a purring. Oh, I love you so much. You're a good kitty. Do you want me to bring over the chair for you? No? Do you just need to be loved for a minute? Okay. All right. There you go. Good job, buddy. Good boy. Okay. So how much I crochet, I want to keep track of my reading as well. Like the days that I do it and the days that I don't. He's wet. He's been outside. And then days that I walk on the treadmill. Gonna run out of room. Almost. And then I'm gonna repeat it right here. There is one more space. I don't know about you. I don't know about you. But I always leave myself an extra one just in case. So let's go down here. We've got 8 hours sleep again. 64 ounces of water. 8,000 steps. How many times this week or this month I'm going to do a manicure. Take my vitamins. No sugar. No alcohol. Is that right? Yeah, 2 O's. Threw me off. It's like when you spell a word so many times, you're like, whoa, why does that look so foreign? Tell me you do that too. Like you write a word over and over again, and then you're like, what is this word? It doesn't even look right. All right. Why is that one so much less? Oh, because I went further down. Oopsie. Well, a couple of things could happen here. I could just pretend like that didn't happen, which I'm probably going to do. And maybe at the second part of the month, I'll add something even more of a challenge. Or if you have a strip of washi tape, you can put that down below. I think I will. Let me. Hobby Lobby is a really good place to find sales on washi tape. Buy Sell Trade Groups on Facebook is another place that usually has pretty good deals on washi tape. You can buy single rolls. So if you're looking at building up your stash, that is how I would recommend getting into it. So there. It's not perfect, but it adds a little something, something. A little something, something. All right, and then on this side, I am going to do the orange again, but I'm going to erase what I had written there. So let's do the orange again. And then I'm going to grab my pen. I'm going to go in here, line it up the best I can, and then I'm going to erase this line because it was just, it was enough off the center that I was like, I can't do that. That is just too far off. I have to clean off my desk. I've got pencil shavings now, or pencil eraser shavings. This is going to be my November checklist. And I'll add to this throughout the month, obviously. These are things I know I need to get done. So let's just start writing them down. We've got 2 birthdays this month. We'll need to change the clocks. For some reason that uni ball is really sticking today. The ball is not rolling smooth. Change clocks. What else? There was something else. Oh, I want to make some applesauce. Our apple trees are right now like the perfect time to make applesauce, and I've got to hurry because all of the deer and the elk and the turkeys and everybody's like loving on the apples right now. So I'm gonna need to get out there, grab a bushel, bring them in the house and process them. And then there was something, oh, I also want to this month do cabbage soup. And I know that seems like a really weird thing to write down on my monthly to do, but I really want to do that. And when I get these done, I will simply check them off and it'll be amazing. I would, oh wait, we want to see Wicked too. I remembered that as I was writing. Okay. Again, this will fill up as the month goes along. Tell me what you think about the split tracker and then the checklist. Let me know about the washi tape and the markers too. Is that too much? Do you feel like it distracts from the minimalism of the layouts, or do you think it adds just enough, you know, to keep it punchy and fun? I will meet you down in the comments. I love you. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you again for planning with me. Bye.